beautiful, for heroes proved in liberating strife. Who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, make God thy gold refined, till all success be nobleness, and ever again divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, far spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, far purple mountain majesties, over the fruited plain. But now wait a minute, I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know, God done shed his grace on thee. He crowned thy good. Yes, he did. Heavy brotherhood from sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody to help me sing this.
Just when I thought I got him to fall in love with Tennessee, should've known better than to take him back to Abilene. I put him right back into her arms. Wasn't a match for that kind of spark. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping around the room. Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping around the room. Judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. Oh, it doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself, he's choosing Texas, I can tell. Drinking Jack all by myself, he's choosing Texas, I can tell. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Just when I thought he would fall in love with Tennessee.
I wasn't looking for a reason to stay, just passing through on 35, headed any other way. But you were standing in that parking lot, sun going down, boots crossed, Lord have mercy, that's a lot of everything I didn't know I needed. One look at you and leaving got defeated.
I had my bags packed for a Nashville dream. Rearview mirror life, you know what I mean.
There's something about the way you leaned against that truck made me think that maybe running was just running out of luck.
You smiled like you already knew the ending.
Like Texas had a plan that I'd stop pretending.
So I said,
Give me one good reason. I said, darling, look around.
stars were lit like somebody meant it.
That's when I got down on solid ground. Promise me Texas, promise me tonight, promise me a porch light left on and your hand in mine. We don't need a mansion, just a gravel drive. Promise me forever on this Texas sky.
Baby, promise me Texas,
And I'll promise you my life.
I never was the type to wear somebody's ring. I'd rather burn it down than let somebody clip my wings.
But you don't try to hold me, you just hold the door. And somehow that's the thing that makes me wanna stay for more.
You kiss me like you mean it, not to keep me.
Love me loud enough the whole damn county hears it. My daddy said you'll know it when it hits. It won't be pretty, won't be perfect, but you won't wanna quit. And standing here with dust on both our boots, the only vow I need is you and me and the truth. So forget the fancy words and white dress pressure, just us, this road and Texas weather.
So I said,
Are you sure about this?
I said, never been more sure.
Wind kicked up like the sky was listening. That's what this big old state is for. Promise me Texas, promise me tonight, promise me a porch light left on and your hand in mine. We don't need a mansion, just a gravel sky.
Baby, promise me Texas,
And I'll promise you my life.
I don't need a diamond, just your word.
I don't need the world, just what we've earned.
A little piece of something real,
Where the stars are bright and the love is still. And every road we take leads us back right here. Promise me Texas, promise me tonight. Promise me a porch light left on and your hand in mine. We don't need a mansion, just a gravel drive. Promise me forever on this Texas sky.
promise me Texas.
Baby, promise me Texas, and I'll promise you my life. It's a Texas promise, darling.